Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade quick. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh, medium-sized lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Having these on hand ensures a smooth and speedy process. Make sure your pitcher is ready, along with a juicer and a long spoon for stirring. This quick preparation sets us up for delicious success. Now let's get that wonderful lemon juice. First, roll each lemon firmly on your counter for about 10 seconds. This helps release more juice. Then, carefully cut each lemon in half. Using a citrus juicer, extract all the juice from each half. You're aiming for approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is the perfect amount to give your lemonade that bright, tangy kick we all love. It's a quick step that makes a big difference. Next, we'll create a quick simple syrup to ensure your lemonade is perfectly smooth, not grainy. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water. Stir this mixture continuously for about 1 minute until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This step is crucial for a quick and delicious lemonade, as it allows the sugar to integrate seamlessly into the cold water later. It's a small effort for a big reward. Finally, let's bring it all together. Pour your freshly squeezed lemon juice and the simple syrup you just made into your large pitcher. Now, add the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Give everything a good stir for about 30 seconds to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Taste your lemonade and adjust the sweetness or tartness if needed. Serve it immediately over plenty of ice for a refreshing, homemade treat. Enjoy your quick and delicious lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.